We've recently tried for the very first time Dude Bombs by the Stank Eliminator. I love the name. The name and the packaging make me laugh, and it's really really cool. Look at this little pod. You basically use this and drop that in the toilet bowl 30 seconds before you do your business, and the whole bathroom will instantly smell like eucalyptus and mint and lime and citrusy. It's fantastic. It makes it easier on everyone else that lives with you or that will use the bathroom after you. It's literally this: before you drop a bomb, drop a dude bomb. And what I enjoy the most out of this, of course, after the incredible smell it does, is look how great it keeps the packaging. So this is the 40 pods that are in there. So you have 40 in there. Look how easy it is to just keep completely sealed until the next time you want to use it. I mean, come on. Awesome stuff. Smells incredible. You have to try it to believe it.